My auntie Gulale called me and she tell me the Yusbaro people are becoming Galo. She say we have dogs in our houses, we wear hoyo igasib clothes, we smoke wahla dudu wayo, and we go nightclubs dancing like holo. I tell her the nightclubs in Somalia is better. Oh my goodness, Mamma Mia. Do you see this? She tell me this is عادي stuff in Aros time. We don't even have this here. If this is عادي, I'm getting my ticket tomorrow to enjoy the عادي stuff. With the legal cart. If you know what I mean.